There it is, folks. My beautiful new 2022 Jeep Gladiator Willys Edition in jet black. Just got it. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep with a truck bed. Absolutely love it. And with every truck, there should be a tonneau cover, turning the back into what can only be considered a great trunk or storage space. So we're going to get that installed. It just arrived today, virtually within 2 days. There it is in 2 individual boxes from Bison Tonneau covers. And once I get that installed on the Jeep, we'll shoot some more video. Okay, some of the items that are going to need to be done prior to the installation is right here. There's a nice little notch. That piece of plastic has to be cut out and removed. These 2 bolt holes are going to have to be accessed to fasten the side rail onto the top. Now, one of the things you're going to need to do when you put the bolt through the side rail and up to here is have some sort of spacer. They give you a bunch of washers. It can be done with washers, but something is going to have to fill that void up. This plastic was only cut out for the purpose of bolting to it. Okay. Also, I recommend that if you have a spray-in bed liner, or even if it isn't sprayed in, just like mine, simply painted, clean these holes out in order to start the bolt. Maybe you'll want to start the bolt in advance. Okay, here's my suggestion for installing the side rail. The instructions that come with it, quite frankly, don't help much. But I would suggest you do it exactly like this. As you can see, I've got the bolt, a washer on this side, and that hexagon nut. Start it just like that and maneuver that side rail up into place where that hex hole is at the back of the box, or should I say the front of the box, the back of the cab. So put it into that hex hole and then start to tighten it. And what you'll find is this thing will compress and hold tight in there. Okay, YouTube, there you have it. New tonneau cover installed. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Check it out. A little bit complicated, honestly, to install it. A few recommendations I would make. First off, you're going to wonder where you should put the drain tubes. Might I suggest you do what I did, which is there's a couple of plugs on the back end. You'll see them. What I did, they're just plastic. I drilled a hole right in the center of the plastic and I put the drain tubes in there. So nicely towards the front of the cab, good way to drain these top side rails right here. Towards the very front, once again, 1 bolt each side. That 1 bolt goes into a supplied nut that will tighten and actually tighten it right into an existing hexagon bolt hole that's there, already existing in the truck. There's a better look at that bolt hole. You'll also notice that I put the rubber right here under the last panel, because that panel goes against, I only have the soft top for this particular Gladiator, so it'll rest against here in the middle and again on the far side, which I would recommend so you don't damage your top. As you can see right there, perfect. And then once again, these simply adjust right here to hold it in place up against the cab. I actually love this design. I was very pleased with the shipping. Came in basically about a day and a half, pretty quick. And I'm in southwestern Ontario, came from the Toronto area. Shipping was included in the price. Price was very reasonable for this particular model. At least at this time, it was $689. That may change over time. But you compare that to some of the other brands, to me, it's about half the price. And looks very much the same. Very pleased with the appearance overall. This is a Bison tonneau cover, Canadian manufactured. Love it.